Welcome to Ask a Trainer from FH Furr, where we answer questions from local homeowners. Air ducts play a crucial role in distributing air throughout your home. However, over time, dust, dirt, and other debris can accumulate in the ducts, reducing indoor air quality and affecting the efficiency of your HVAC system. This is where duct cleaning comes in. Duct cleaning is the process of cleaning the HVAC systems in your home, including the ducts, registers, and grills. Professional duct cleaning involves the use of specialized equipment to remove dust, dirt, and other debris from the ducts. The frequency of duct cleaning will depend on several factors, such as the age of your home, the number of people and pets in the home, and the presence of smokers. In general, it's recommended to have your ducts cleaned every 3 to 5 years. Now, the reason you should have your ducts cleaned is to improve your indoor air quality, extend the lifespan of your HVAC system, and increase your home's energy efficiency. If you ever have any questions or concerns, we have professionals in the area to help.